So guys, for the first step, you're gonna head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're gonna click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the second step, you're gonna head over to search again and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're gonna click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to find Windows Time. You're gonna scroll down till you find Windows Time. Here it is. You're gonna double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the server status running, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you just want to copy and paste the commands which will be down below in the description. So for the first one is going to be this one, net stop W32 time. You want to highlight this, do Control C to copy it, come to CMD, and then do Control V to paste it, and then click on enter. And now for the second one, it's going to be W32TM unregister. You want to highlight this, do Control C to copy it, come to CMD, and then do Control V to paste it, and then click on enter. And now for the next ones, I'm just going to fast forward the video. And now this is the last one. Paste that, click on enter. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the phone should be fixed.